Today we will see universal building blocks. We know NOR gate and NAND gate, they are called as universal building block because we can construct all types of gates, means basic gate, derived gate, by using NOR and NAND gate. So let's first see NOR gate as universal building block. Means we will construct three basic gates using NOR gate. Okay, so first basic gate is NOT gate. So NOT gate. Okay, so or we can call it as NOR as NOT. Okay, so we know NOT gate has only one input. This is NOT gate. Okay, if A is input, then output Y equal to A bar. Now we have to construct NOT gate using NOR gate. But NOR gate has two inputs. This is NOR gate. It has two inputs. Okay, so NOT gate has only one input. So what we have to do? We have to short these two inputs and convert them into single input. So this is input A. So output Y is equal to, as there is bubble, we know if we connect NOT gate at the output of OR gate, then it becomes complement of OR gate. Okay, so here bubble means already there is NOT gate and only one input is there. So output Y equal to A bar. So this is NOR as NOT. Okay, so this circuit works like a NOT gate. This is equation and we have to draw here truth table also. Input, output, input is A, output is Y. If A is 0, Y is 1. If A is 1, Y is 0. Second, NOR as OR gate. So we have to construct OR gate using NOR gate. Okay, now let's draw here NOR gate. This is NOR gate. Its inputs are A, B, output Y equal to A plus B bar. Now we have to construct OR gate using NOR gate, but the output of NOR gate is A plus B bar. Means we don't want this bar because equation of OR gate is A plus B only. There is no bar. So we have to construct the circuit in such a way that this bar will get cancelled. So what we have to do? If we connect one more NOT gate here, then it will become Y equal to A plus B. Already bar is there. So due to this NOT gate, one more bar will be there. So both bar means complement of complement. So they get cancelled and it becomes A plus B. Okay. So how can we construct the circuit? This NOR gate. Now we have to replace this NOT gate by using previous gate. Okay. This is NOT gate by using NOR. Okay. Because we will connect here only NOR gates. We cannot use any other gate. Okay. So we have to replace this NOT gate by this NOT gate. So the circuit will be A, B. Here it becomes A plus B bar. Now we have to replace this NOT gate. So here it becomes Y equal to A plus B bar equal to A plus B. So this is circuit for OR gate using NOR gates. So this is final circuit. Now we have to draw truth table for OR gate. Okay. A, B, Y. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So truth table for OR gate is 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. So this is NOR as OR. Now third gate is NOR as AND. We know De Morgan's theorem, bubbled AND gate is equivalent to AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate.